First things first, in order to get here, you have to take the train to Hualien Station. From Hualien Station, you can rent a motorbike and bike all the way to Taroko Gorge.
Where am I at? Right here. Taroko Gorge. Oh, look at that. Sight to behold. With my camera doesn't fall out of my hands.
Taroko Gorge, in a nutshell, is like a mini Taiwan version of the Grand Canyon, with a lot of forestation and a few hiking trails. Just a note, you have to apply for a permit ahead of time before coming here, because they limit the amount of people who can come in per day. And you have to pay an entrance fee. And the entrance is only from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. 10 a.m. is the cutoff time. If you come any later, you can't get in. The hike I'm doing in this video is the Zhuilu Old Trail. It's 6.2 kilometers in length, which is roughly 3.9 miles. Originally it was longer, however a typhoon took out the second half, just like the train tracks at Fengqihu going up to Alishan. If you just walk it at a normal speed, it takes roughly 2 hours each way. But if you run it, you can finish it in probably 30-45 minutes each way.
Alright, climbing this trail over here in Taroko Gorge. Oh, this is gonna take a while. In the mountains of Jurassic Park. But the goal is to get to the Instagram photo spot. 2-hour trail. Oh my god, what a I'll see you when I get there. Oh my god. Back on the trail. We finally reached the end. The end was disappointing. So disappointing I'm never going to show on film. But let's see. I want to show you guys the edge of infinity. Oh, it's coming up soon. Alright, check it out. That's what nothingness looks like. Well, with light at least. So, heading back to the Instagram spot that we skipped. I knew when I saw it, it was the right spot. Someone just put rocks on top of it. I'm gonna kick it off. Hello. Kilometer mark. Edge of infinity. Oh, stones.
Wow.
Edge of nothingness. Oh. This is the spot. You can sit here, take it across. Yeah, look here, you can take a picture here.
Here? I sit there?
Yeah.
So in conclusion, the end of the trail was pretty disappointing. There was just a group of people looking depressed at the end from lack of anything to see or do at the end. Also, there was a spot 3/4 into the trail with rocks that we saw on Instagram. But it was super cloudy that day, and we couldn't capture the same photo that was on IG. If you like hiking, this trail isn't too bad. Just prepare ahead of time with a permit and getting here before the cutoff time of 10 a.m. And so on that note, I leave you with your moment of Zen.